Welcome Do-It-Yourself Dell fans. Again, we're here with our friend Dirk on his remote location, and what we are going to be speaking about right now are these massage style slipper kind of things. And you can see those round balls on there, and when you stand on them and you put them on your feet and you put your weight on them, they don't feel so hot at first. But the idea behind this is that I noticed that they're kind of spongy and springy, so that when your weight goes on, they get pushed down. And the idea is to align your spine better, and so the whole direction that these sandals want to take you is in a healthier with a healthier spine and a healthier posture and so forth. So initially, Dirk, do you have any opinions about this? Have you ever seen this in the world of sports, with what you tended to?
I personally have not seen those. They look very dust, in my opinion. I don't understand the concept of wanting to walk when it feels like you're just constantly walking on rocks. And it could just be me, because I have very sensitive feet. So if I use those, I feel like it would be very painful the whole time, and it just would not be fun wearing those. And yeah, they're just dust.
Well, I've had them on, and initially that was my impression, that they are painful. But like a lot of things, I think it's probably something that you have to get used to. And also, this is the kind of people that might get involved with a product like this is the same type of people that might go for acupuncture, or say the holistic approach to medicine. That type of person might be interested in this sort of thing. So as far as I know, I haven't worn these enough to know if I can acclimate to them or if they'll be of any benefit, but they do appear to be something interesting. They're certainly interesting looking, and there's in the package, in the box they came in, these round things, these springy round things. There's extra of them, so if you have something happens and you have need of extras, there's 4 or 5 extras in the package. I imagine there's a way of just affixing them to the to the shoe, to the sandal. So I don't really know much more about these things till I wear them more, but it might be something that if you do have back problems or spine problems, it might be worth an inexpensive way of trying to solve a problem. So any more comments, Dirk?
One question I have is, how much do those cost?
Really inexpensive for shoes.
Okay.
So way on the lower end. Normally I don't give prices, but so all I can give you is sort of a ballpark price. But say you could, buy a pair of shoes at the Capital W for what you pay for these.
Sounds good. And do you just wear them around the house, or do you wear them at
That is a good question. I don't know if I would be confident wearing these in public, because they are different.
I definitely would not recommend wearing those in public.
I would imagine, as to your comment about walking on rocks, that might tend to make a person look kind of unusual. Okay, so wearing these might make a person look a little unusual, like walking barefoot over, say, a gravel or something like that.
Look like people walking.
And so I don't really know the benefits of these yet, if any, but it might be something that if it cures somebody's back problem, that's a big deal, or some other physical problem. There's might be some inherent worth in this product, which is why we're presenting it towards you. So do you have any final remarks on this, Dirk? Are you optimistic about this, or what do you think?
No, I would never wear those in my life, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I would not. Maybe once, but other than that, no.
There. Okay, so let's sign off on this for now and see. See you later.